friends, welcome to my channel Scrumptious Food by Richa. So today we are going to make cappuccino coffee using Murphy Richards coffee machine. So let's start. We will make coffee using this Murphy Richards cappuccino machine. So these are the accessories you will get along with this machine. And this is the beaker which I have filled till 3.5 cups. And this is the coffee filter in which we will pour the coffee powder. This is the holder. And this is the spoon. So let's start making coffee, friends. I have taken 3.5 cups of water. So what we will do, we will just pour this water here in this section of the machine. So let's start. I am making 2 cups of coffee. So I have taken 3.5 cups of water. 2 cups for the coffee and 1.5 cup for the steam. So I'll pour whole water over here. Now I will close this lid, and we should close this lid very tightly, else steam can come out. So it should be tight like this. There you will get the options for open and close. So it should be tight like this. Now here you will get the button. We have to on it, and if you drink strong coffee you should put this button here, for the medium coffee here, and for the light coffee here. So I prefer strong coffee, so I will put the button over here. So now we will fix this over here. From the left we will start, and we have to bring it till the center. It should be tightly closed. Like this. Now this empty beaker we will put over here for the coffee. So now coffee will start dripping in this cup. Like this. So I need coffee for 2 cups. So what I'll do, I'll just stop it over here, this button, and I'll take it to this steam option. I've taken 2 cups and I have added the sugar according to our taste. So what I'll do, I'll just pour 1 cup coffee in each cup. So here I have taken 400 ml of milk. So now we will start making cappuccino. Now we will put the beaker over here like this, and we'll do like this for the steam. Before them start, you will start getting flour. And the milk will start getting hot. As I have taken the milk from the fridge, I have taken the cold milk. So it will start getting hot while steaming it. Now you will get the creamy texture. See, we have taken the 400 ml of the milk. Now I have taken this beaker which is 600 ml. Now you can see how the milk has increased. So here our cappuccino frothing is ready. So we will just turn it off, and here is the frothing. Here we will start pouring this milk in the cup. So here comes our cappuccino. Hope you like this video, and yes, I will definitely recommend this Morphy Richards coffee machine, as I have been using it since 6 months and I'm just loving it. So whenever I want to have a cup of cappuccino at home, so I just get it in few minutes. So it is really easy to use and you can have cappuccino at home anytime. So this is highly recommended. And if you really like this video, don't forget to hit a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching.